Namaste. Have you always wondered that all these modern day film songs are just too high for you? Are you worried that you'll never be able to sing these songs? Are you looking for an effective way to increase your higher range? Then you have come to the perfect video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a very simple 5 to 7 minute exercise that you need to do 6 days a week with 1 day of rest, and over a period of 3 to 4 months, if you do this regularly, you will find a significant change in your higher pitch note. Before we go any further, if you like what I put out on my channel, please like this video, share it with your friends, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon. So here are 3 things that you need to keep in mind in order to improve your high pitch notes. The first is a very simple drill that I'll be demonstrating. Let's get started. So you will need a Tanpura app, or just simply go to YouTube, search for sine wave Tanpura and play a sine wave Tanpura or any other regular Tanpura. Now, the method that we are going to use is a gradual process, so be very patient with it and make sure that you are consistently practicing. Now, I have kept my Tanpura at C. Okay. Sa pa sa pa. Now this is the drill that you need to go. You have to start from the pa and go 4 notes up and come down 4 notes. And then you keep doing that step by step till you hit the higher octave pa. Like this. Pa dha ni sa, sa ni dha pa, dha ni sa re sa ni dha, ni sa re ga re sa ni ga ma ga re sa pa ma ga re sa. Do that about 3 times. Once you are done with that, switch your Tanpura up by half step. Go to C sharp. Do the same drill again. Pa dha ni sa, sa ni dha pa, dha ni sa re sa ni dha, ni sa re ga re sa ni ga ma ga re sa pa ma ga re sa. Repeat that one more time with the next Tanpura setting. Now we go to D. Pa dha ni sa, sa ni dha pa, dha ni sa re sa ni dha, ni sa re ga re sa ni ga ma ga re sa pa ma ga re sa. Great. So that was like a 3-set exercise that you can do. We started in C, go up C sharp, then D. If you're someone singing in G or G sharp, just go 2 steps up. Now this is a gradual process. With practice, over a few weeks, you'll notice that your high pitch pa sounds much more clear, much more whole on the 3rd Tanpura setting, in this case D. Once that happens, start moving 1 step further and see if you can push it all the way till E. So a few things to keep in mind before you do this exercise. Make sure you are well hydrated. Drink adequate amount of water and warm yourself up by singing low notes. Okay, just stay at the sa ni dha pa dha ni sa and warm yourself up by doing this for about 2-3 minutes. And then attempt this high pitched exercise. The second thing that you need to keep in mind is the technique. So you'll notice that as I started singing high pitched notes, my jaw dropped. If you go sa re ga ma, if you try to push like that with a closed mouth, ma pa, you might be able to hit it, but it is very weak and you can feel your larynx hit up and sort of choke you. Pa, that is so much better. Pa. So drop your jaw, round your mouth and sing it from your chest. Pa. Notice how my face is also relaxed. I'm not doing pa. Okay, that changes the tone and it sort of chokes you up. The moment you do and pa. and all those things. Okay, so try to have a relaxed face. Fake it till you feel comfortable in it, right? Pa! Drop your jaw, round your mouth, be relaxed. Also, it is always a best practice to practice your singing either sitting cross-legged or standing. If you sit in a chair and practice, your diaphragm doesn't get enough flexibility to pump adequate amount of air. So it is always a good practice to sit cross-legged or stand and sing. And the third thing that you need to keep in mind is to try this, rest, recover and repeat. If it starts paining, don't push too much through pain. Give it enough rest and hydrate yourself well and recover and then try again. If even after a couple days of rest and hydration the pain doesn't go away, you should always consult a doctor and get it checked. If it gets better the next morning, just go ahead and start singing again. Now in my experience, it is great if you can switch up your set of 3 Tanpura settings on a monthly basis. So say this month you started singing in C, went to C sharp, went to D. Keep doing that for about a month, and after a month start doing C sharp, D, D sharp. And then the month after do D, D sharp, E. So over a period of 3 to 4 months, you will be pushing yourself to be able to sing the higher pa in E if you're someone like me who sings usually in C. But again, you will notice that most of the film songs are in either D, D sharp, E, or in some cases even in F for male voices. For female voices, most of the film songs are in C, even though most of the females might be singing regularly in G sharp or A. So that is the reason why you need to work on expanding your higher pitch so that you can sing all these beautiful film songs, all the popular songs in the same key that they were composed in. Let me see if I can sing it in E. Re ga ma pa pa ma ga re sa pa pa. It's not coming. So you see, you will end up hitting a wall like that at some point, and the best way to cross that wall is to take a step back and do it maybe in this case in D sharp, and then build the strength and then gradually again attempt E. And over a period of time you will definitely end up singing it clearly in E as well. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video, hit the bell icon so that you get updates of all my latest videos. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.